Hello, this is Christian of By Chris Channel, and today I'm unboxing Peter Rabbit, The Tale of the Heroic Hedgehog. This is a UK import. Here is the spine, here is the back, and here are the episodes. Heroic Hedgehog, a good one. The Bird Trap, excellent. Dr. Bobtail's Adventure, excellent. The Great Potato Plunder, a classic. The Tiny Terror is a good one too. Tricky Tortoise, one of the all-time greats. Your tech specs are over there. Here is the disc, and here is the part of the back artwork advertising the other titles you can get. I have unboxed The Tale of the Great Breakout and The Tale of Peter's Great Escape. You can check those two out on my channel if you haven't already done so. Here is the other side of the inside artwork, without the disc in the way. See ya next time!